Hello, welcome on this afternoon class. It's me, Universal Tutor. Um, well, today's topic we're going to look at evaluate. We're going to look at evaluate the equation evaluate. So we are going to take some basics that are needed for you to solve an equation that says evaluate. And what are the many things that you have to pay attention when you're solving this equation that is saying evaluate? What is needed? What do you need to observe? And what do you have to pay attention to so that you get the correct answer? So evaluation is the simplest equation, but it can lead to problem if you don't pay attention to the signs that have been given in the equation. So today we are going to look at in this past paper 2024, we are going to take question 1 here, which says evaluate -3, negative open bracket -8, close bracket. So we are going to stick to question 1. So we are going to stick to question 1. We are going to go to question 1. So here, I'll just copy it the way it is. Okay. So we are going to solve 3 of them from different past papers. I'll explain what is needed and we'll get to do it. So we start with this one. It says evaluate -3, negative open bracket -8, close bracket, and it says evaluate. Evaluate simply means work it out. So here we are going to have we're going to put an equals. It says evaluate. We're going to put an equals here. So we're going to put an equals here. You can see it says evaluate -3, negative open bracket negative. So the way it is like this, we cannot work on it just like this. So we cannot solve it just like this. So meaning what is needed here, we'll write -3, which is -3 minus -8, close bracket. So since here we can't work it out because they are what? We're having brackets here. So brackets, we're going to remove these brackets so that now we can work out this equation. So the bracket simply means multiplication. So we are going to say -3, then we're going to multiply this negative sign with what is in the bracket. So we're going to say negative times negative, which is what? Positive. It's going to give us what? Positive what? It's going to give us positive 8. So positive 8. So now we are going to do negative times positive. So here we're going to say negative 3 plus 8. So meaning here we are subtracting 3 from what? From 8. So we are going to say from 8 we remove 3. So here it's going to give us what? It's going to give us it will give us 5. So we'll have 5 here. That's our answer. So if you have problems with such equations, I'm going to make it simple. Here the main key is signs. You have to pay attention to what? To signs. So like this sign, I'll give an example. Negative times negative, positive times positive, then negative times positive. Okay, so that we just understand the sign. So negative times negative, it is equals to positive. Positive times positive is equals to positive. Then negative times positive, it's what? Negative. So even on the number line, you can use the number line as well to prove. Okay, you can also use the number line if you have challenges with with the multiplication of signs, we can just draw a number line here. I'll just draw a number line so that we understand what we are solving. So I have just drawn a number line. It's just a simple number line, just for us to understand. So I assume this is our center. So this is our center. I'll assume this is our center. Then we have 0 there. We have 1. We have 2. We have 3. We have 4. We come this side again. We have 1. We have 2. We have 3. We have 4. Sorry, this one will extend it a bit up to 8 so that we understand what we're doing. So 4, we have 5, we have 6, we have 7, we have 8. So now, we have our number line. So our negative values are to the left side. So these are negative, then these are positive. So it's saying that the equation is saying move negative what? Move negative 3. So when you move negative 3, meaning we're coming what? We're coming here. It means we have positive 8. So meaning we have what? Positive 8. So meaning we come to negative 3. We come to negative 3 from here. We are here at negative 3. We are here at negative 3. Our negative 3 there. Then it says move 8 steps to the right. So we are going to our positive side. So now we say 1. We'll now say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's going on what? On 5. So coming here, up to there, it is what? 8. So this 5 is our answer. If you have challenges with a sign, you can use a number line, but it will take time. You can also use, if you have a problem with drawing the number line, you can just use this simple box. It will help you in terms of subtracting, dividing, and adding. So we'll jump into our next equation, next past paper. So here we are into another past paper. So we are going to get question 3, which says find the value of negative 2. Find the value of open bracket negative 2 close bracket plus open bracket negative 5 close bracket. So it means it's the same as evaluate and finding the variance. This same in this form. The equation is just the same. It's the words that they are using. So we are going to copy the question here, which says find the value of negative open bracket negative 2 positive open bracket negative 5 close bracket. So I've just copied our equation here, question 3. It's here. So here what we are going to do, since we have 2 brackets here, we'll try to get rid of the what? Of the brackets. Okay, so here since there is no sign, we assume there is a positive 1. So we're just going to multiply with what is outside here. So we are just going to say negative 2, or let me not, it might look confusing. We're just going to do this. We can say negative 2 open bracket, then we multiply this positive with what is here. So positive times negative is what? It's negative. So negative 5. So we have a bracket here. So we're going to multiply everything in the bracket with this sign. So we are going to say so we are going to work it out. I'm just going to copy here again, open brackets plus open bracket negative 5 cross bracket. So we are going to say negative times positive is going to give us what? Negative 2. Then we have negative 5. We are going to multiply this one with what is inside the bracket. So we are going to multiply negative 2 times what is in the bracket. So negative 2 times 10, it's going to give us what? Positive what? Positive 10. Sorry, I've even said the answer. It's negative 2 times 5, which is going to give us 10, positive 10. So this is our answer. 10 is our answer. Let's move to our next equation, which says evaluate. Now